In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Canva presentation to Google Slides without losing formatting. By the end, you'll have your Canva deck safely moved into Google Slides, fully editable, and ready to present or collaborate on. Start in Canva with the presentation you want to move. Look to the top right corner and click Share, then choose Download. In the Download panel, open the File Type menu and select Microsoft PowerPoint, the .pptx option. That's the key. Google Slides accepts PPTX perfectly, which keeps your layout and most design choices intact. Before you click Download, double-check that you've selected the correct pages if you don't need the entire deck. It's also a good moment to give your file a clear name so it's easy to find later. Then click Download and let Canva prepare the file. If your presentation is image-heavy, this might take a moment. Keep in mind that some advanced animations or effects may not transfer exactly, but most text, images, and layout elements will come through well. Next, head to Google Drive in your browser. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want the file stored. Click the New button in the top left, select File Upload, and choose the PPTX file you just downloaded from Canva. You'll see an upload status in the bottom right of Drive. Avoid closing the tab until it finishes. If the file is large, give it a little time. When the upload is complete, your PPTX will appear in your Drive. Now open it in Google Slides. Right-click the uploaded file, choose Open With, and select Google Slides. Google Slides will automatically convert the presentation for viewing and editing. When it opens, take a minute to click through a few slides. Check that fonts look correct, images are aligned, and any transitions behave the way you expect. If something looks off, small adjustments are easy to make directly in Slides. For the best editing experience, save it in the native Google Slides format. Inside the open presentation, go to File in the top left and click Save as Google Slides. This creates a true Google Slides version in your Drive while keeping the original PPTX as a backup. The native format gives you faster performance, real-time collaboration, and seamless autosave. You can rename the file at the top to keep things organized. That's it. Download as PPTX from Canva, upload to Drive, open with Google Slides, and save as a Google Slides file. Simple, reliable, and presentation ready.